Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And my two very sunburned sons here are showing you how to play a game called Snappo. All you need for this game are some face cards or some Uno cards with just the number cards set in the game. So we took out all of those Uno cards that were +2 or reverse order or whatever were extra in there. And then we just left the number cards. And they happen to be, I think, Mario Uno cards this time. What the boys are doing is they're setting down 2 cards at a time, and they're trying to find the sums of 10. As you can see, it's a good way to build fluency with those 10 number bonds, those facts, those sums that add to 10. And also a good way to get the fluency quickly and without having to do anything that's too timed or too related to a workbook or a worksheet or a fluency test. The boys have been playing for, well, maybe about 15 or 20 minutes now, and they've turned over their cards many times, and they've gotten a lot of practice with 10s, and so far there are no tears. I hope you're having fun building math positive mindsets with your kids. Have a great day.